everybody. Hi guys. I don't even know how to start this video. I feel like I look not okay. Like I look insanely like terrible right now. But I don't have an intro for my video. Yeah, I wasn't really satisfied with the intro of this, or the intro to this video, so I'm just gonna be like putting like this clip as my intro. I'm currently editing and I just wanted to say hi to you guys like properly. Today's vlog is basically gonna be like an unfiltered days in my life kind of video. But yeah, I'm super excited. It's my first video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Love you guys.
Yeah, ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. But thank God for the journey, that's the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings fall from our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they love to be one time.
Guys, okay, so this is a different day, but okay, I tried my mom's makeup again with her wig. I wish I hadn't straightened it because I was like halfway through straightening it. That's why, like, you know, it's a bit curly and straight at the same time. And then I realized, you know what, I think I like this side better, you know. And also, like, don't have everything. I don't even have the right foundation color because this one is the light one. I think my mom took the darker one. I just ended up using the lighter one, hoping that it wasn't gonna be too light. Yeah, but it's kind of cute. Like, I low-key like it. Imagine if I had lashes, the right foundation color, like thingy spray. Imagine if I had a proper install. But so we're at Pick and Pay getting bananas and mixed berries. No, sorry, Greek yogurts. Guys, where's the yogurt? This is the cheese. What? Oh. Look at this, it is so cool. How trendy that. It's so cool. Okay, yogurt secured. Okay. I'm looking for mixed berries. Do you think it's gonna be like this side as well, or bag secured? I'm a little bit shy to vlog now, but I'm at school. Free me, guys, free me. Why?
She only wants green.
It's so pretty. Hey my lovelies. Okay, so today is the 9th of April. Yeah, I went to P&A. I got some whiteboard markers. I like that the tip is like not thick, you know, and like when you write it's not like huge. But yeah, we went there. I went to this like flower plant shop thing. I don't know, nurseries, whatever that thing is called. I don't know what it's called, a nursery, right? I don't know. We went to go get my mom's plant. now I'm back home. I think I'm gonna eat. I'm probably gonna study later. Yeah. They're going live on the
on our phones.
yeah.
I just need it. So this is it.
Am I supposed to cook it? Must I read the instructions? Must I read the instructions? Okay, so it says heat the. Okay, so let's heat the oven. Oh, yes.
Something smells rotten here.
It was at this moment that he knew.
It's rotten.
That's a replacement.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on.
Chat, this thing wasn't even on. Yo, tell how the oven is not on. Was okay, so wait.
I'm making brownies again. So I'm like in the process of dyeing my hair. Okay, so I just did like skincare routine. Just used the Garnier face wash and calamine lotion. That's pretty much it. And then I also cleaned my piercing. I think I'm going to go to bed now. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I don't want it to drag out, and I feel like it's gonna start to drag out. My days are going to be very repetitive. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog, which is hopefully soon. I don't know, but yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vlog.